evaluate the integral of e to the x times the square root of e to the x minus 1 over e to the x plus 3 dx. So let's try to use u substitution. So we let u be equal to the square root of e to the x minus 1. Then getting its derivative, or we can square both sides so that the derivative will be easier to find. So getting the square of both sides, we have u square is equal to e to the x minus 1. Because when we square the square root, we will have the e to the x minus 1. Getting its derivative of u squared, that's 2u du. Derivative of e to the x minus 1, so the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Then minus the derivative of 1, constant, 0. So we just have e to the x dx. Okay. And then we try to substitute. So we'll have the integral of this square root of e to the x minus 1. That's equal to u. Then this e to the x dx, it's equal to 2u du. And then all over e to the x plus 3. So we need to solve for e to the x in terms of u. So we can solve for e to the x using this equation. We transpose the negative 1 to the left side. So we have u squared plus 1 is equal to e to the x. So therefore, e to the x in terms of u is u squared plus 1 and then plus 3. So simplifying, we'll have integral of u times 2u du, 2u squared du, all over u squared plus 1 plus 3, 4. So we have a rational algebraic expression which is improper because the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. They are both 2, right? So we can divide first to make it a proper fraction. So you divide the numerator 2u squared by the denominator u squared plus 4. So 2u squared divided by u squared, that's 2. Then multiply 2 times u squared, 2u squared, and then 2 times 4, 8. Then subtract 2u squared minus 2u squared, so 0. So the remainder will be the negative of 8. So we can rewrite the integral as the integral of the quotient 2 plus the remainder, negative 8, divided by the same denominator, u squared plus 4 du. And then we can distribute the integral symbol. So we have 2 integral of du and then minus 8 integral of du over u squared plus 4. So 2 integral of du is u minus 8 integral of du over u squared plus 4. So we can use the standard integral formula for inverse trigo, right? The integral of dt over t squared plus a squared, it's equal to 1 over a arctangent of t over a plus c. Wherein if we have our t equal to u and our a equal to, we can rewrite this for us 2 square. Therefore, the value of a is 2. So if we get the derivative of t dt, the derivative of u du, substitute, we'll have the negative 8 integral of du, which is dt, over u, which is t, raised to the second power. So we have t squared plus 2, which is a squared. So the value of this integral is therefore equal to this one, negative 8 times 1 over a arctangent of t over a, and you can bring down this 2u, and then substitute the values of a and t. So 2u minus 8 times 1 over a, which is 2, then arctan of t, which is u, over a, which is 2. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So simplifying, we'll have 2u minus 8 times 1 half, 4, arctangent of u over 2 plus c. And then the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x. So u is equal to the square root of e to the x minus 1. So the final answer will be 2u, which is the square root of x minus 1, then minus 4, arctangent of u, square root of e to the x minus 1, over 2 plus c.